Tracking inventory in Korona is rather easy, and it's a feature of our retail package. To start tracking our inventory for different items, we can select the item that we want to track. Now that we're on the product page, if you look to the right side, you'll see this track inventory option. Once selected, we'll get this prompt to create an inventory count to determine the initial stock. If you don't create an inventory count for a product and it's set up to track inventory, Korona will start the quantity at 0, and for every sale, it will deduct 1 from the quantity. That being said, if you sell 7 of one item, it'll be tracked as -7 if you check to the warehouse. We're going to want to also add a supplier for this product because we anticipate ordering it in the future. If you don't create a supplier, you can still do a stock receipt with any random supplier in your Korona database. But it's recommended that you put your orders into the system for your records to be more complete. So let's go to the bottom here and add the supplier information. Hit add. We'll select the supplier. We'll put in the order code, which in this case would be a supplier SKU number. So let's say this is a SKU number. We can put the description if we'd like. You can put the container amount. The container amount is the typical increment that this bottle or product is ordered in. In this case, let's just say it's bottle by bottle. So we're just going to put 1 and then the product price. So let's say it's $9 from the supplier. All right, now that that's added, let's go ahead and set up our initial quantity on hand. So to do that, we're going to go into inventories and do an inventory sampling. So we're going to select new. We'll do initial inventory. We're going to do this for just our California store, let's say, and we're going to save so it creates that list for us. We'll double click to enter the list and we'll add that product. So we'll do Cabernet. There it is. Okay, and we're going to put in our quantity on hand. Let's say we have 24 bottles on hand. This is the only product we're going to add to this list, so we're going to book it so we can finalize it and apply that quantity on hand. Yep, everything looks good. 40, now it's going to be 24. Book it. And we're done. Now our quantity on hand for this product is 24 and it is being tracked.